Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Guides panel lets you turn guides on or off in the image preview area. Guides are not printed as part of your photo book, they are only used on screen to help you position photos and text on pages. You simply check or uncheck the checkboxes within this panel to show or hide the related guides. To enable guides, make sure you check the Show Guides checkbox. The Page Bleed guide adds a wide gray border around the edges of a page to show the parts of photos that exceed the page boundary. The Text Safe Area guide adds a thin gray line inside the page perimeter to show text that exceeds the page boundary. Caption fields also show a thin gray line which represents the perimeter of the field. The Photocells guide adds gray boxes with crosshairs in the middle to show unfilled photo cells. The Filler Text guide adds placeholder text in empty page and photo caption fields to show where you need to add text. However, you must have selected the Fill Text Boxes with Filler Text option in the Book Preferences dialog box for filler text to appear. The Page Grid guide adds a grid to the pages to help align objects within them. The Guidelines guide adds horizontal and vertical black lines to objects as you click and drag them within a page to help you align them with other objects.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.